Pero marami kasi nangyayari, walang kana-analysis, nag-hoping na ito yung produkto, hoping it will strike an interest, hoping it will strike a need. Pero ano yun ang tawag doon talagang parang bato-bato sa langit. Right? Kasi nga, this will require a lot of discussion. Kaya nga kasi pag itong negosyong to, don't talk about commissions. You follow the mission statement. If you are true to the mission, yung commission, automatic yun There's no way you will not earn, but you have to do it right. Pag nag-proposal selling ka, yeah, you will be able to get, pero hindi ka na makakaulit. Tapos ang problema nun, ang taas ng buyer's remorse. Which means yung lapsation probability mataas. Kasi nga, once they buy from you, hindi yun ang last time that they will buy from you. They will buy from you between 5 to 7 times during their lifetime. Kasi nagbabagong financial situation yan So pag meron silang financial requirement ulit, ikaw tatawagan kasi kung mag-analyze ka, kompleto, comprehensive. Ikaw na nang tatawagan. May nabili akong bagong assets, kailangan natin i-cover to. So, ikaw tatawagan kasi you have explained properly why there is a need for it. Kung may investment requirement siya, ikaw ang top of mind. Then you have built a relationship. Okay? Pero makakabenta ka sa proposal, pero first and last mo yun. Hindi ka na makakaulit doon. Okay? Mas lalo pag biglang may lumapit, ganito pala yan. Hindi pa lang yung binenta ko, parang wala palang kwenta. It only answered for 5% of my need and yet I'm paying so much. Kasi hindi naka-tailor fit dun sa requirement niya. Then you run, yun, pang short term yan. Tandaan nyo sa negosyo to, hindi to pabilisan, patagalan to. But the longer you stay, the more clients you have, the better off you become. Tapos, hindi lang siya, referable ka. Uy, alam mo, may nakilala akong ahente, kung may kailangan kayo, I strongly suggest itong kausapin mo. Hindi ka niya bebentahan, i-explain sa'yo kung ano kailangan mo. Ikaw magdi-decide kung bibili ka o hindi. Walang ka-pressure. Ang sarap kausap. Then dadami yung client base mo. Aabot ka sa puntong hindi mo na sila kayang servisan. You will get to that point, don't worry.
Yes.
Okay? But you need to understand na tama dapat yung foundation. Okay, so pagka ganyan, makikita mo kagad yung capital surplus or capital shortage niya. Ito masarap, no? If there is a shortage and you want to solve it, how much can you save for the best solution? Okay, even without showing any product yet. O sige, so naintindihan mo ba lahat? Tingin mo naman, relevant light side pinag-usapan? Oo. So tingin mo, magkano kaya mo i-save para masagot natin yung problema? Alright, so give me a number. Let's say, sabihin niya, 50,000 a year? Okay na ba yun? 50,000 a year? So pag sinabi niya 50,000 a year, so we have a 50,000 a year budget versus magkano kinupit natin? Parang 10 million problem versus a 10 million problem. So ito yung problem, hahanap ngayon tayo ng product that can afford us 50,000 to be able to address the 10 million problem. So alam mo kagad yung input mo. Saka ka palang gagawa ng proposal. Pero lahat ng numero na yung na ginagamit natin, hindi sa'yo nang galing sa kanya. Facilitate mo lang yung process. Right? So tingin nyo, enough yung budget niya? Pag sa Insular Life. Pag sa iba, kulang yan. I guarantee yung kulang yan. Sa atin, sobra pa yan. Clear? Yun yung product solution. Now, it becomes easy. So, pag na-establish yan, yung solution is just simply shooting the requirement and the budget. Now, sa sales, what makes people buy? Need or want? Need? Kung need, diba? Ilang sapatos talaga kailangan niyo? Diba? Need. Ilang bag talaga kailangan niya, mga dear? Diba? Kung need, ilang relo ba talaga kailangan natin? Diba? A lot of times we buy on the basis of want. Diba? Even if you don't need it, because I want it, I buy it. Right? Ang problema lang doon, if you buy on the basis of want, ang taas ng iyong buyer's remorse. Kaya there are a lot of times you buy something and then essentially nasa cabinet mo lang, you don't use it. Kasi you bought it at a whim. Wala talaga siyang direct need. Right? So kailangan balansihin niyo yung need and want. Right? Kaya ito, ginagawa natin is to establish the need. Now, even if he needs it, ang next question, how do we make him want it? Doon ngayon papasok yung affordability ng product. Kasi para ang laki ng need ko, ang mura ng solusyon, doon nga, what is not to want? I solve my problem for a very cheap cost, then yeah, I'm able to answer both the need and the want. When you do that, solid yung iyong sales. Napakababa ng chances for buyer's remorse. Alright? And the client will be delighted because you have done a good job in terms of providing them with the right information and the right solution. Okay? Clear? Magsasagutan na ba tayo? Isa lang. Para lang sagot natin. Baka mamaya
Sige, sir, isa.
Sige, ito lang. Sagutin lang natin. So, 10 million ang problem, 50,000 ang budget. Okay, sige. You all went through product training already, right? Yung what? Let's give you an example. So, 30,000. Okay, let's say 30,000. When I say 30,000, ito yung annual premium. And what that affords you is times 10 ang coverage. So, 30,000 times 10, ang coverage mo dyan, 300,000. Okay? So, pag may nangyari sa'yo, namatay ka, you get 300,000. Right? Remember, ang target natin, 10 million. So, magkano na lang ang balance eh? Konti na lang, di ba?
Konti na lang.
Hindi na lang ang budget. Now, yung dinisign yun as a Lego product, which means, you can enhance the product by adding riders. Supplementary contracts as we call it. Alright, so kung kailangan ng protection, meron tayong tinatawag na term rider. Kung kailangan mo ng critical illness, meron tayong tinatawag na critical illness rider. And we have designed it in such a point na it's in such a manner na it's the cheapest in the entire industry. Okay, so for example, if you're age 35, ang term product natin na pwede mo ikabit dyan sa WAP lang ha, is about 1,200 per million. Ganun lang siya kamura. Alright? So, if my problem is 9.7 million, multiply that by 1,200, magkano lalabas yun? Math yan, 9.7 times 1,200, magkano lalabas? 9.7, which is the balance, times 1,200, kasi 1,200 per million. 11,640. 11,640. So for an additional premium of 11,640, kuha na natin 9.7 million. So ang total cost mo per annum is 41,640. Problem solved.
Good or very good? Paulit niya ako, sir.
So ang base product na ginamit ko, Wealth Assure Plus. No? So you can buy 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 50,000, whatever you want. Kaya lang, ginagamit ko yung 30,000 kasi may fund value generation yan. Para medyo may fund value tayo na ma-accumulate, di ba? So ang cost ng 30,000, when I buy that, that affords me also a coverage of 300,000. So when I die, I get 300,000 from my Wealth Assure Plus. But because my target is 10 million, I'm still short by 9.7 million. Now what I can do is I can attach a term rider, we call it a term rider, and ang design niya napakamura. 1,600 per million. Ang cost. At age 35, of course, it increases as you age. Right? But assuming age 35, 1,200. Pag nag-age ka may konti increase, pero hindi pa rin gano'ng kalaki increase niya. So if 9.7 million ang balance mo, you multiply 9.7 times 1,200, ang ibig sabihin nun, magbabayad ka ng additional premium of 11,640. And when you do that, you now covered for 10 million. Ang total amount nun per annum is 41,640. Okay? Divide mo to by 365. Divide mo by 365 para makuha mo yung daily cost. Magkano siya? Can you compute 41,640 over 365?
140.
140. Diba? May 10 million problem ka, ang solusyon mo, 114 pesos a day.
Sir, question.
Yes.
Tawarin niyo sa napakaraming riders na year-term rider. How do you differentiate? May 520, meron na.
This is the regular, meaning annual
Yearly
renewal. Yearly renewable term rider.
So pag si yearly renewable, kasi trad product yan, di ba? That we're attaching to our
BUL product.
BUL.
Okay, I mean, BUL, we're attaching a trad product.
Yes.
Tama? Dahil trad siya, tawag dito, tumataas yung premium niyan. Kailan
Yes.
start yung pagtaas ng premium? Sa next year kasi year term rider siya eh. Diba? So next year, my client will be paying a different premium.
Yes.
Tama?
Pero kung may
A little
increment
higher.
yan, a little, sobrang negligible. Tumataas yan pag umabot ka ng mga bandang age 50. Yan, medyo tumataas ang cost of insurance because of the age. But ang assumption is, remember kaya mataas ang cost mo, kasi meron kang educational requirement, meron kang mga loans and obligations, wala ka masyadong preparedness. Pagdating ng age 50, ang assumption is, mas yung mga anak mo tapos sa mag-aral. Lahat ng utang mo bayad na. So yung income protection mo suddenly drops. You can remove the rider.
Okay.
You can remove the rider. Instead, yung WAP mo by this time has already accumulated fund values. Fund values, di ba? Which you can now use to
Cash
for
mo na
retirement
yan.
or cash mo or savings mo. Ibig sabihin, walang tapon. Kasi for other companies, in order for you to achieve 10 million at that cost, ang bibili mo pure term.
Sir, ang renewable ng natin without proof of insurability naman yan.
Alin?
Pag-renew.
Pag-renew?
Wala. Oh.
Wala. Basta,
Wala.
basta na...
Renewable is also even convertible if I'm not mistaken.
To a,
To a regular
permanent plan.
product, yes.
So pwede rin pala eventually. Okay, pagkaya na nila. Okay, thank you.
Ngayon, meron kang option na 5 years to pay, 10 years to pay, 15 years. So, ang ginagawa lang doon, kino-compress.
Kasi syempre, pagka baka mamaya, the following year, when my client pays, ba't lumaki? At least ma-explain na
Oo,
early
ma-explain.
on
Oo.
na there are, kumbaga dahil this is a rider,
Cost of
it
insurance
increases.
yan eh. Yes.
Thank you.
Now, bakit ginawang yearly, hindi ginawang 5 years? Kasi pag 5 years, ang tawag doon level premium system eh. Pag ginawa mo siyang 5 years, nag-a-assume. So, mas mataas ang cost. Unlike pag yearly, talagang as you age, yun na.
Hindi niya masyado mapapansin yung yearly na tinataas niya
Yeah.
kumpara dun sa 5 years.
Sa 5 years, mas malaki yung taas niya. The other problem that I have with what they did dun sa 5, 10, 15, 20, nung ginawa yun, tinaas nila yung COM. Kasi to 10% lang ang COM eh. Yung tinaas nila yung COM, when they did that, you now compare that to industry, lumalabas mas mahal.
Mahal. Okay. Bakit?
Kaya ako, I still prefer the yearly renewable.
Okay. Thank you.
Dito ka na kumumisyon sa base product. Ito, additional lang. Kasi tinaas mo ngayon COM mo, hindi naman ma-afford ng kliyente mo,
Yes.
wala ka na sol. May isa pang product, pero tayong pure term, I protect ang pangalan. Ewan ko kung nakita nyo yun. Yung pure term yun. Mas mura siya, parang 4,500 per million. Kaya lang, at the end, nothing, wala kang fan value. Ito kasi, yung premium mo na 41,000, remember, 85% of the premium is a VUL product. And this generates fund values. So essentially, what we're saying is, what do I get with 114 pesos a day? Yung 114 pesos a day mo will afford you a 10 million coverage. Tapos pagdating na age 60, may fund value yan at 4% na mga 1.1, 1.2 million. All for 114 pesos a day. Diba? Kaya pag namatay siya, to my loving wife, 10 million. Pero sa totoo lang, ang binabayad niya sa'yo, 114 pesos a day. Pero ang kapalit na pag-ibig nun, 10 million. I mean, honestly, where do you spend 114 pesos a day? Ngayon, 1 litrong gas ang 100.
Oh,
It's not expensive. The only reason why it becomes expensive is because naka-misplan siya. Hindi appropriate yung analysis ng need, tapos hindi appropriate yung product solution. Then it becomes expensive. Kasi ang problem mo, when you die, binili mo investment product, mahal yun. Pero hindi niya sasagutin yung need mo. That's a misplan.
Yung, kunwari po, so, ito yung mistake ko kasi 5-year term yung nilalagay ko. Pero hindi naman yun na napapansin.
Kung hindi napapansin, okay lang.
Oo. Kaya ayoko lang mapansin nila pag year 5 na. Since it's a rider, can we take it out and then, may palitan ng year term? Hindi na.
Pwede ba?
Anong question?
May 5-year term yung ginamit ngayon. Tapos tatanggalin sa pan-renewal, tapos papalitan ng yearly.
Pwede naman by their cancellation and then
Apply a new one.
rider, pero baka may...
Baka maganda
Ay,
rider.
policy
Kasi
anniversary
old
na.
siya.
Or kahit kailan.
Pwede naman po. Kaya lang ang problem, kasi nag-cancel ka, mag-a-apply ka ulit, panibagong underwriting.
Pero hindi naman ito charges naman.
Charges. Sa charges, may tama ba sa charges? Malaki ba charges?
Ako, may charge ba ako? Hindi. Pag cancellation, walang charges pag ganun.
Wala po. Kasi hindi naman po siya kasama sa investment.
Okay.
Ang dalawa yan, no? Yung isa, 5 years renewable. May iba, compressed 5 years.
5 years lang.
So pagkabayad mo ng 5 years, wala ka na babayaran sa rider mo. May ganon. Pero mahal nun. Kasi kinumpress mo eh.
Yes.
Tapos mataas ang ko.
Advance payment na.
So yung budget ng client mo, practically doon lahat mapupunta. Kasi remember itong kliyente natin is earning only 50,000 a month. Kapag family at 50,000 a month, medyo wala ka masyadong disposable income. Halos. But yung 100, I can spare. Beyond that, medyo mahihirapan akong I might have difficulty affording it.
Although,
114 mo will afford you 10 million coverage and a fund value of somewhere between 1.2 to 1.1 million at age 60 at 4%. A very affordable product and it meets all your requirements. Tapos may savings sa pa nakikreate. Now, if the client says, oh, I can spare more. So, kaya mo ba 150 a day? Sinabi niya, oh, kaya ko 150. So, i-deduct mo, 150 minus 150. Magkano siya?
36.
36. Ibig sabihin, I can spare 36 pesos a day. Right? Multiply this by 365 and that gives you how much? 13,100. So pwede pa siya maka-afford ng 13,100 na annual premium. What do you do with this? Gusto ko lagyan natin na CI, critical illness. Ang critical illness rider natin, again, it's the cheapest in the entire industry. It's at 7 pesos per million.
Wow.
7 pesos per million.
Mura lang.
7,000 per million. So 13,100, divide mo to by 7,000, how much will that be?
Mga 1.8.
1.8? Ganyan?
1.8.
1.8 million. Alright? Lagyan natin 1.8 million. So what happens now? Now at 150, the product, what it can do, cover you for 10 million, provide a fund value of about 1.2 million, tapos pag nagka-critical illness ka, may 1.8 million ka pa. Just because you increase it from 140 to 150. Kaya sa Lego product, you can enhance it for a very minimal cost. And then it becomes very powerful. Diba? So hindi mo lang sinagot yung problema ng pamilya mo, pati health mo, binigyan mo ng preparation or binigyan mo ng appropriation.
Sir, ilang years to pay yan?
Dire-diretso yan.
Dire-diretso.
Regular pay yan.
Regular pay.
Regular pay yan.
Pero sir,
Pero pwede mo siyang i-premium holiday kung gusto mo. Pero ako at that price, tuloy-tuloy mo na lang, mura lang naman. Ang assumption naman, every year tataas ang income mo.
Tsaka nga yung at later years, yung wala na masyadong dependence, mababawas naman yung rider.
Oo, pwede mo naman
bababa
bawasan.
din yung cost niya.
Yung tatanggalin mo rider, gawin mo top up para maging investment product yung
Magkakasurplus siya eh.
magkakasurplus siya. Either increase mo yung CI mo or i-top up mo dun sa WAP mo para mas mabilis yung fund value accumulation nyo. Again understand, pag nasanay na sila magbayad, it becomes a habit. Parang Netflix. Don't worry about the ano. Ang importante, nasagot niyo yung problem, tapos very affordable, hindi niya iindahin, wala sa pag-iisipan because it's readily affordable. Tapos yung benefits naka-max out.
sir, tapos yung, pero may option siya na later on, alam lumaki na yung value niya, pwede niya
Pwede niya i-withdraw. Pwede niya gamitin.
Tapos, pero insured pa rin siya.
Oo.
Pero continue pa.
Modern direction.
Pero magbabayad pa rin siya dapat.
So meron ka emergency fund. Pag nagka-emergency ka, hindi ka kailangan mangutang. May fund value ka, pwede mo
Fund value.
Ngayon, pag ganyan ang presentation yun,
200%.
at may ibang ahente ko mausap doon, hindi siya makakapasok. Hindi eh. Ganda na explanation. Ito sa akin, kompleto. Okay, so again, importante, need and then make them want it because the product is designed exactly to deliver the need.